Please, big person. Sir, one replay.
Good morning everybody. Women's World store, this is the first store in Chennai. In already 5 stores in Hyderabad. First store, this is the anchor store. This anchor store, all Kanjivaram is displayed, showcased by Kanjivaram sarees, designer sarees, gagras, salwars, dress materials and western wear. Exclusively designers, small designers also displayed by the Women's World. Women's World లో వెరైటీలు రేట్లు చాలా అతి తక్కువ ధరలకి చెన్నై ధరలకే దొరుకుతాయండి. ఉమెన్స్ వరల్డ్ లో రేట్లు ఎక్కువనే అనుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, చాలా రీజనబుల్ గా పెట్టాం. దట్స్ వై థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ. This is the group's 42nd showroom in Madras city, the 6th showroom in Madras city. I know very well Raja because the institution was started by his father in a very small way in Vijayawada with one showroom. Now within 24 hours Raja made it 42 showrooms. I pray God he has to open his 50th showroom also.
Thank you.
That is also in Madras. Thank you. They must invite both of us and we will come and bless them.
Thank you.
First of all, Elarku Namaskaram, and I'm really happy to be here, and Chennai has always been very welcoming to me, and the store here is very beautiful. They have amazing collection, and when I was shooting itself, I saw the sarees that are that the store is displaying, and they're very, very beautiful. And when someone like me goes out for shopping, I think it's best to see everything in front of the eyes, and you can easily select things. And the way it's displayed, the collections that they have is out of the box and mind blowing. And I wish Women's World all the very best. And this being the first store in Chennai, I'm just wishing you all the very best.
Thank you.
And may many stores open. And like Sir said, we both will be there to open it.
We had about 500 entries for the contest, and we've shortlisted about 50 people. and we have Mrs. Women's World and Miss Women's World, and we've shortlisted about 20 women, and about 12 being Mrs. Women's World and Miss Women's World. It's been tough actually with the entries and everything. I think everybody's over here. We had the auditions yesterday. I would like to call Miss Parvati to crown both of them. Yeah.
All right.
Mrs. With.
Okay, so the Mrs. Women's World is Mrs. Preeti Kitchapan.
Parvati, the crown first.
No, I will hold it.
1 minute. It is a French. Can
Look here.
Well, I'm really happy to be here today for the inauguration of Women's World's first store in Chennai. I wish everybody the very best, and I hope that Women's World is a great success in Chennai as well, like it is in Hyderabad. And I wish that there are more and more stores that open in Chennai of Women's World. It's a lovely concept wherein the women can come in and design their own outfits and design their own saris or dresses and get them tailor-made according to their liking. So it's a different concept that they've come up with, and the collection that I've seen so far is mind-boggling, especially the Kanjivaram saris, which is woven with pure zari and not using any thread. So I think they have a wide variety of collection which suits the pockets of every walk of life, every person from every walk of life. So I'm wishing them all the very best. May God bless them. And we also had the blessings of Nalli sir to be here today. And I think it's very great on his part also to bless us all and to have the mindset that everyone should flourish. And I think God bless him for that as well. And wishing Women's World once again all the very best. Thank you.